kidney proper right now.
So the right and left suprarenal glands.
Adrenal is what I want. So there's your right and there's your left adrenal. It means literally on top.
The hilus.
Hilus. First, you need your kidneys.
Oh, right. And left
So I
kidneys.
can flag. I can't really flag the right because it's got too many parts. Literally, just structure. But if I kind of put the flag sitting straight up right there, there's your left kidney. If I've put the clay here and I have the flag laying down pointing to this notch, the little curve, the indentation, that's the hilus. That's the left hilus.
The renal cortex.
That's that whole back part. Typically, in life, a little more, not quite so pale. A little more like that, hers is.
Renal column.
Are there extensions of the renal cortex that go into the renal medulla? So it's this part literally in between the pyramids. That's renal pyramid. Sorry, renal column.
Okay, so between pyramids.
Yeah, between pyramids.
And
But
then-
it is tissue of the renal cortex.
Okay. And then
And you have 1, 2, 3 whole and 1, 2, 3 cut renal pyramids. And that's all I can do. They're getting too small to flag anything else.
so then you already did the renal medulla, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the region, renal medulla, structure, renal pyramid, renal column.
Okay, and then the renal papillae,
Cross off.
renal pelvis.
Let's do the other ones first. So each pyramid has a minor calyx. Okay, each one. Then when they come together, there's a major calyx. When all the major calyces join, so like right here at this more white tissue, whitish, that'll be the renal pelvis. Okay, right there.
Right and left ureters.
There's your right, there's your left ureter.
Urinary bladder. Fundus.
Cross off.
Trigone.
Okay, now you can see inside there's rugae like the stomach had, but this part truly forms this triangle and it smooths out. That's the trigone. It's that smooth triangular part.
Orifice of ureters.
There's the orifice of the right ureter, there's the orifice of the left, the little dots, and they start kind of delineating where the trigone, where that different tissue is. And then the urethral orifice finishes it, ends the triangle, and that's it right there. Right where I'm touching.
The tunica mucosa.
Cross off.
And then tunica muscularis.
I need the other term.
Oh, this. Oh, the
Detrusor muscle.
muscle.
This, it's the muscle of the urinary bladder. That's it right there. Now, 2 terms I need you guys to just remember. This one you need to remember, period. It's what I'd flag. But when you watch the commercials on TV, when people have urinary problems, the bladder starts kind of contracting and it's something they've got to go now. And that's the gotta go commercial. That medicine is called Detrol, LA. It's named for the detrusor muscle. That's where they got the name from.
okay.
The other one are the pipe people, vesicaire. The Greek word for the urinary bladder is a vesicum, vesica. Okay, remember that term because it will come back. Part of it will come back. Okay.
So the urethra.
The urethra is going to leave the urinary bladder, so that was the orifice right there, but that's the urethra coming out.
The prostate gland.
That's what's, this is a male, it's what's surrounding that purplish colored thing. So that truly is the prostatic urethra. Males have 3 parts to their urethra.
Okay, so the vas deferens.
Still a male. Vas deferens, you've got your left or your, sorry, your right or your left. Sticking up right there.
Seminal.
Still a male. Seminal vesicles. There's your right, there's your left. So they're tucked way up underneath there.
Abdominal aorta.
That guy right in the middle. And these would have been the common iliacs, either vein or arteries.
Inferior vena cava.
This guy.
And renal artery.
So the renal artery, you can see kind of the left, the right's tucked up under here more, and then the veins, your left and your right.
And that's it.